Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Neon coin, the Neon token from Neon EVM. Their Twitter is up here as usual at Neon_EVM. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Neon EVM is an Ethereum virtual machine on Solana that allows developers to scale Ethereum dApps by using Solana with support from @neonlabs.org. So that's another page you could check out, another Twitter that you could check out @neonlabs.org. But you can find the information for this token specifically on this Twitter up on the screen @neon_EVM. On that Twitter there, you will see that they have 5,158 followers. They just joined in May 2023, so this is a very brand new project. 72 tweets so far, and they have a link there to their webpage, neonevm.org. Now, if you go over there, you will find sections about developers, home, events, operators, governance, tools like an Explorer, the Neon Pass, Neon Faucet, frequently asked questions, all sorts of links. So Neon is a fully Ethereum compatible environment on Solana. So the Ethereum infrastructure has accounts and signatures, tools and infrastructure, ETH-like Web3, RPC API, ETH ERC20 tokens, Solidity smart contracts, and the Solana blockchain has liquidity, user base, transaction record in Solana, high-speed transactions, and low transaction fees. And then Neon EVM combines them both. So underneath that, it says start using Neon, and you can check out their GitHub, documents, white paper. Some of the advantages of the Neon EVM here, it says easy smart contract adaptation, deploy Ethereum dApps without any reconfiguration of smart contracts, familiar smart contract languages, write your dApps in languages you know, like Solidity or Viper, first EVM on Solana, discover first mover advantages and reach new users. And then we have scalability benefits. Enjoy low-cost gas fees and high transaction speeds on Solana. Solana's growing ecosystem. Get access to Sol, native Solana assets, SPL tokens, and other bridged assets. And tools you already use. Use EVM or Ethereum-based tools you love like MetaMask, Truffle, etc. So we have Neon governance. The Neon EVM economy is fee-based. Neon will be a utility token and will be used for governance. At mainnet launch, the governance will be handled by a decentralized protocol with a clear and user-friendly process for proposing and voting for protocol improvements. So they have a roadmap on here, starting with the pre-alpha phase and all the way back in 2021. With the Neon EVM proof of concept and stabilization. Then the alpha phase was in 2022 with the key dApp testing, ERC20 support, security audit passed, Neon Pass rollout, and Neon Scan launch. Then we have 2023, the beta phase, and then we have production ready of the Neon EVM, early dApps deployment, DAO governance, rollout, integration with the Graph, Chainlink, and Pyth, and whitelisted operators. Then post-beta launch or roadmap phase is Neon ecosystem growth, interoperability with Solana smart contracts, grants program launch, and decentralized operator network. Then 2024, Neon EVM full compatibility, top industry ecosystem tools and services. So it says here you could sign up for project updates by putting in your email there. You could build on Neon. You can get in touch. You can run proxy, become an operator. All that stuff is on their webpage. Now, if you click on their document section here, there is a section here specifically about the Neon token. So it says the Neon token is the native token of the Neon EVM. It is used as a utility token, the payment method for user transactions and transfers, dApps, deployment, interactions with dApps, etc. on the Neon platform, similar to how Ethereum is used, or ETH is used on Ethereum. And it's a governance token representing a vote in the Neon DAO for decentralized community governance. Now, the utility, you can use it to wrap the Neon transaction into a Solana transaction so that it may be used to execute on a Solana cluster, and also to pay for the execution of every iteration on the Neon transaction. Then we have, so the Neon token parameters, you can go over that. It says no inflation or deflation rates. Neon is an SPL token on Solana, and at the same time, it's a native token on the Neon EVM like ETH on Ethereum. So yeah, basically governance. Now, you can check out their Neon Scan, Neon Pass, and Neon Faucet. Those are all on their white paper as well. Certain sections about that on here. You can, just tons of information on how to use tokens, configure dev tools, connect to Neon RPC. All that information is on here. Now, there's also a lot of new information here on their Twitter. It says, join our exciting pixel art contest in the Discord. So if you guys want to get involved with that, you can actually get some Neon merch. And you become a Neon champion for getting first, second, or third as well. So you can check all that out. Lots of cool information here. There's different Neon documents about how things work. So this is a very, very brand new project here. On their Twitter, I'm sure somewhere here it'll tell you exactly step by step how to get this token. I believe it might be out of pre-sale, but they do have obviously different dexes where you can get Solana-based tokens on here. Neon EVM announces the launch of its closed beta. That's a recent tweet on here. It doesn't really have step-by-step anywhere how to acquire this token on here, which is strange. So let me review this here for 1 second. Let me just pause this and I will find it. So I was just looking at their articles here, and it says Neon EVM community sale sells out in 29 minutes, registering 717,000 participants. So it looks like they sold out for this first part here. Token price, it says, was 10 cents per token with 50 million tokens available. So that is over. So it looks like, and then I went on CoinMarketCap here. It says, looks like they are not tracked yet on CoinMarketCap. But then it also, so a lot of tokens will go to Radium eventually that are Solana tokens, or Dex Labs. You can get them, or Dex Lab. And those are two different Radium dexes where you can get Solana tokens. But if you follow their Twitter here, you most likely, they're going to have updates of when you can get this token and when it goes live for everyone. Now, there was another article here that I was looking at. It was saying that you can, on their document section, that you can use their faucet to get test tokens. So you can request test tokens. It shows a setup guide how to use this network. And, you can run Neon proxy, operate a Neon proxy, configuration, all that type of stuff. So you can go over all that. But it looks like for now, it is out of their first initial sale there, their initial coin offering, and then now it looks like they're in the middle between moving on to the next step. So they do have step-by-step guides here of how to use the Neon Faucet, airdrop test tokens, transfer tokens from Solana to Neon. You could use the Neon Pass to do that. You could check out their Block Explorer, connect your MetaMask wallet, connect to the Neon RPC, start building right away, configure and use dev tools, get test tokens, deploy dApps, and then use Solana native tokens. So you can learn all about that on their document section at docs.neonfoundation.io. So check all that out. But then I guess for now, we'll just have to wait, follow the socials, and see what central exchange listing sites or decentralized exchange listing sites that this token will, the Neon token, will go to eventually. But yeah, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about Neon EVM? Do you think this is a good project or what? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.